Good morning, guys, and happy last week of 6th grade. After Friday, you officially are middle schoolers. I know this is never how any of us intended your year to end, but just know that I am very proud of you and all of your accomplishments this year. You guys have done a wonderful job. You were a great class. I've cried many times because we did not get to end the way I wanted to, and we would have had a lot of fun these last few weeks. So pat yourself on the back. You did it. You took on something that nobody has ever had to do before, and you guys have done an excellent job of keeping up with your work. And I hope that even though it wasn't what you wanted it, that you guys still were able to learn something, and that you guys at least enjoyed your time at home. We are going to chat today at 11 on Zoom. So I will do awards and everything then. So hopefully we can get everybody on. I understand that we're going to probably have technical difficulties, and I unfortunately can't do anything to fix those, but I can at least try to get everybody on. So Zoom today at 11. I'll make sure I send an email reminder. It will be recorded. So let's go ahead and go through this document. This is your last week. Here's the internet version. So this week is going to be Seesaw for ELA. So today you have an emoji story. It's a pretty cool template. You'll be able to copy and paste all of your emojis and make a story out of it. It's pretty neat. It's just a different way to make a story. It's something that you guys like to do and use those emojis. So you have a way to do that, and it's just ELA based this time. If you're in my math class, you're going to do some more volume today. ReadWorks this week. I'm just going to post 4 articles. You can pick one, or, like I said, you can just do all of your work. But pick one and read and answer the questions. Then Studies Weekly. It's week 28. It's at your own pace this week. If you prefer to read it all and listen to it all today and get it done, awesome. If you prefer to just do a couple stories at a time, that's great. You do not have to do any of the extra let's write or anything like that type questions. D76 or D77 today for science. Read and copy your vocab down. And then you have Spelling City. It's just spring words. It's one activity a day through Friday, or all the activities. Tomorrow, Tuesday, is Seesaw Cause and Effect in Narrative Text. This one is going to take a little bit longer. You have to watch a video with it. So that one's interesting. You'll have fun with that one. Freckle, Part 4 for volume, another ReadWorks, Studies Weekly, Science Book, Spelling City again. Wednesday, you are going to do a Word of the Week activity. The word of your week is extensive. It's here in bold or capital letters, not bold letters. I'll bold it when I send it to you guys. Is extensive. Okay, this process has been pretty extensive, so I figured that was a good word for you guys to do a quick word of the week on. Freckle, polygons in the coordinate plane, more ReadWorks, more Studies Weekly, more reading from your science book, and Spelling City again. Thursday is Seesaw, so I'm going to get a little bit thoughtful with you guys, and you guys are going to do Thoughtful Thursday. It's just some good end of the year thoughts to have since we're ending this week. Freckle is 3D figures, ReadWorks, Studies Weekly, Science is reading page D82, finish your vocab. Then you're going to pick a planet and you're going to make a mini poster. Draw it, color it, and provide 5 facts about it. So usually we do a big project with the solar system. Since we aren't able to, you can do it at home. You could also do this project on PowerPoint if you wanted and send it to me. I'm cool with whatever. As long as you have a planet, you have a picture of it, and you write 5 facts down about it, fine by me. Spelling City again, one more activity, and then Friday, the last day of your 6th grade year. You have Seesaw. How have you changed this year? It's just a quick reflection. When you finish it, post it to the group. Fact Fluency for Freckle, so you'll just get on and practice your last round of Fact Fluency. For reading, social studies, and science, get outside and have some fun. This would typically probably be your fun day. So, we're just going to have it as a fun day. I know I have a couple of things for you to do, but they're just basic and quick, because I saw Spelling City down there. I just want you to do those so you get your last stuff in so your brains are ready to go for summer. So fun day on reading. If you get time, tell me the directions of a game that you play. So just type out the directions in chronological order. Social studies. If you were to go outside and play this game, if you do, would kids in ancient civilizations like Rome, Egypt play like you do, or would they play something else? Science. What type of energy do you use when we play? We did energy at the very beginning of the year. So if you can remember what type of energy you use while you're running and playing, let me know. Okay, so this is for this week. It's pretty simple, not too difficult. I think you guys will have a pretty good time. I'm going to post everything again for the week, so you don't have to worry about that. You can do it at your own pace. Remember, if you're in my math class, I'm only going to post videos once a day. I'm not going to post all 4 videos in one day. So hopefully you guys have fun with this, and Friday, take it easy. Do your work, but also have a good time and get outside, have fun. Hopefully the weather's nicer than it has been. If not, play some video games, relax, enjoy your last day of 6th grade. See you guys at 11.